Hello, if you have the issue that you cannot find the disabled app in the app list on POCO X7 Pro, then here's what you can do in order to fix it. So usually you can go to the settings, and if you choose apps, then over here of course you have the list of apps that are installed on the device. But if you disable the app, then you might see that it has this icon, but if you reopen the apps, then you will see that Chrome is not there. And if you try to search for it, then it's missing. So if you have this issue and you cannot find the app and you want to re-enable it, then what you can do is simply go to the Play Store and then you want to search for the app. So in my case, of course, I need to enter Chrome, and now I have the button to re-enable the app. And this time when I go back and reopen the apps list, you will see that Chrome is back on the list. And I can once again disable it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!